In this video I am gonna tell you how to find and recover your deleted post on Instagram. You can recover your post easily within a month. So please watch the full video and also give a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then tap on your profile icon on the lower right corner. Now tap on three horizontal bars on the upper right corner. Now tap on settings, account. Once you tap on account, you will see this type of interface. So tap on recently deleted option. I have deleted this post. Now I can recover it easily. Tap on this and tap on three dots and tap on restore. If I tap on delete, it will permanently delete. If I tap on restore, it will restore to my Instagram gallery again. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you will easily understand this. So video, thanks.